It makes you feel sick to the stomach when you get a fixed penalty notice. You've broken the law and you've got a hefty fine to pay, but does an FPN appear on your criminal record? Well, it all depends on what steps you take when you receive your fixed penalty notice. You could say an FPN is kind of like a middle ground between the police and magistrates court. Since August 2013, police have been able to issue fixed penalty notices which were previously given out in court. They're usually handed out for things like driving offences or fly tipping and litter dropping, and the fines vary depending on the severity. You'll get a bigger fine for driving without insurance than you would for parking on double yellows, and the fines vary from about £50 up to £300. You may also get driving points between 2 and 11 points on your driving licence. Even if you feel like your fixed penalty notice was unjust, you'll have no chance to appeal because there's no official channel or formal process. So your choices are either to pay or go to court. Going to court isn't a great option because the likelihood is you'll have to pay a higher fine than your original fixed penalty, extra court expenses, and if you're prosecuted by the judge, you can get a criminal conviction, which will stay on your record for 5 years. But if you just pay up when you get the FPN, it won't appear on your criminal record. An FPN, fixed penalty notice, is a conditional offer. If you accept the guilt, pay the fine, take the points, then the case will be closed. If it was a driving offence and you were the driver at the time, get it paid as soon as you can. You can make payments quickly and safely through the DirectGov website, and I'll put a link to it in the description. This is what you'll need: your FPN number, date of the criminal act, offence code, and phone number. You have the option of pleading guilty and paying the fee, or pleading not guilty and appearing in court. If you don't pay within 28 days, the penalty will go up by 50% of its original value. So let's say it was £100. If you didn't pay, it goes up to £150. And if you don't respond at all, the courts have the authority to issue a warrant for your arrest. If you take responsibility for your actions and pay, you won't be given a criminal record if you're issued with a fixed penalty notice. If you're still feeling unsure and you think you might have a good reason to contest it, then it might be good to have a chat with an online solicitor like JustAnswer for just a £5 trial. Just imagine how much money it could save you. You just explain your fixed penalty notice with them in the chat and they can give you some professional advice and let you know whether you actually have a good chance of winning in court. I've left a link to that in the description, and if you use it, you'll be supporting my channel, so thanks.